Hi, my name is Brandie and I work for a handful of players. Today we'll be working on poses. Your own poses, my poses, your poses. So let's get to that. All right, let's go. A pose could be whatever you can freeze. This could be a pose. 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 Okay? So it's whatever you freeze in that moment, that is a pose, all right? Get creative. So let's try to start with something, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it an open, cross, turn, jump out, and give me your own pose. This is mine, okay? So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8, open, cross, turn, jump out, and pose. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, open, cross, turn, jump out, and pose. All right, so let's do that a few times. With music, you're gonna give me an open, cross, turn, jump out, and give me your own personal pose, okay?
We're JJ Fat and we're here to rock.
Rhymes like ours can never be stopped.
See, it's 3 of us and I know we're fresh. Party rockers, non-stoppers, and our names are deaf. See, the J is for just,
The other for jamming.
the F is for fresh, A-N-D, deaf. Behind the turntables is DJ Train. Mixing and scratching is the name of the game. Now here's a little something about nosy people.
It's not real hard, it's plain and
Okay, so let's see if we could go a little bit faster. Give me multiple poses. I still want to see an open, cross, turn, jump out, and give me a pose. When you do the second open, cross, turn, jump out, give me a different pose. Let's do it 4 times in a row. Let's do it faster. Let's go.
so our lady beatbox.
You might even try it. Supersonic. Supersonic. Now all you supersonic people try to bite on rhymes. You may think that you are deaf, but you're way behind. So you better listen good to what we have to say, cause when it comes to
Okay, so I actually gave you 5 poses. I must have been feeling myself. All right, I told you 4, I did 5. Okay, that's okay. So now we're gonna do level changes of poses, all right? We're gonna go high, medium, low, okay? Don't do what I do. I want you to come up with your own creative poses, all right? It could be high, medium, low, okay? One more time. Let's think of something. High, medium, low, all right? So let's do it faster without music. So we're gonna go high, medium, low. Okay, let's do that with music.
Supersonic.
Yeah, it's finally my turn to rock the mic because my devastating beats I know you will like. You see my beatbox is fresh, it'll blow your mind, and if you don't like my beat.
Okay, so let's do one more pose activity. So now I want to see 2 poses with 2 dips. So for instance, I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's go. Let's do this. And I want a sequence of 4. Let's do it 4 times in a row, maybe even 5.
Now he's the freshest DJ. From coast to coast, my man can cut and scratch. But I don't mean to boast, he may be a little light, but that's okay, cause when he cuts to the beat, it sounds this way.
Good job, you guys. We did great today.